Alright, in this video I'm just going to show you how to use AI to answer common customer FAQs on your blog. Now, whatever I used to do was I used to use literally ChatGPT for everything. So I just ask it to, so let me just show you an example. If I go into the Google and type how to tie a tie, so if I scroll down at the end, you should see something called people also search for, and I think this has a FAQs, or there'll also be a section called, okay, let's just say example how to and yeah, people also ask. So these I take into consideration for FAQs, but now all of this is automatically. So if I come here into the dashboard and click on SEO article and input a keyword right here, example, if I input a keyword such as let it load, sell land fast, and I can click on generate article. Now once I click on generate article, it's just gonna produce an article just like this. Okay, so if I click on view, and this is how you get. And here if you scroll at the end, you will see a custom FAQ section written right here. Now this is not FAQs randomly selected. These are very carefully selected by the keywords, by the AI SEO agent, and this is very good for improving your rankings on Google. So this is how we use AI to answer common customer FAQs on your blog.